everybody, it's me, Mr. Duck here, your very friendly duck, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to get a Panzoid intro, like mine, because I currently use Panzoid for my intros, and I'll show you how to get your very own intro of your liking. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Google Chrome or any web browser and type in Panzoid, spelled PANZOID.com. And here you are. This, I'm gonna welcome you, is the clip maker or the intro templates. They also have backgrounds and a video editor, so if you guys need those, yeah. But this is the creations tab. If you click more creations, it shows you the trending creations and the most popular creations out of over thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of intros on here. There is a way to search for an intro using this, but I don't really search for that because it's kind of hard to find intros like that. With that, I mean, oh hey, that's my intro. Anyways, yeah, so what you have to do is just go through all these intros and find which one you like. So let's just say I like this one. Shout out to this guy. Alright, you click open and clip maker right there, and it brings you to this screen. Now you're probably looking at this thinking, what the heck is this grid? Anyways, this is a grid. I don't know what it's for, but it's probably where you place objects and stuff, so. But the real button you want to click is this button, and you can see it from the perspective the viewers will see it. And then that's the play button, obviously. But to change your name, because if you go into it, as you can see, it says name, right? What you have to do is go into text, and not text, you have to go into this little square looking thing called objects. And here is all the objects they used to create this intro. I'll just rewind that. Okay, anyways, so what you want to do is look for the thing that says text name. What you want to do is click on that, and then it says 3D text name. What you want to do is get rid of that and type in your name. Now, probably it will tell you to type name multiple times, so just repeat the same process over and over again. Alright, there we go. Make sure to press enter or else it won't work after making your text, so it saves it. And then that's pretty much it. What you have to do, click the toggle preview button or the I button and press play. Looks pretty cool, right? Then what you do after that, if you've decided you want the intro, and if you don't like it, there's also more here that you can choose from, and you can choose from the page again. But I think I like this one. So what you're going to do is click this little arrow button that's leading into a line. The arrow line button, you want to click that, and it will say mode, balanced, format, whatever you want your format to be. I keep it balanced. You could put it on extreme quality, good quality, balanced, or fastest render. But I keep it on balanced because who knows? Anyways, then you want to click start video render. And this might take a while depending on your internet. My internet's really slow, so it will probably take a while for me. So I'll just speed this up. Alright, it's only got a few seconds to go. And then after this, it should say, yeah, your render is finished. Click below to download. You want to click this download your video button and it'll start downloading it for you. If you click return to editing, I'm pretty sure it'll cancel it, but I'm not sure about that. So just click download your video. There we go. As you can see, it's downloaded. So now let's see the final product. Here is the final product. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it today for this video. Sorry for the lack of uploads lately. I've been busy with tons of schoolwork. I've got some important tests coming up, so yeah. Make sure to like the video if you want more tutorials. Make sure to slap that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. But anyways, guys, see you later, and have a quackical day. Bye.